You're watching Cook School. I'm Fei Khoo and I'm here to teach you some handy cooking techniques to help you become a better home cook. Today we're going to learn how to pan roast meats. Pan roasting meat is especially suitable when you have a thick cut of meat, such as this one, to help it cook evenly while keeping the interior nice and succulent and moist and not overcooked, while creating a lovely, delicious crust on the outside. I've already turned on the oven, preheated it to 180 degrees, which is perfect for when you want to roast meat. And we're going to start up the stove. You want to have your pan very, very hot because you want to trap the heat in the pan so that you can quickly sear the meat and create a crust. The important thing is to use a pan that's got a very heavy bottom so it can really trap in the heat. Put some cooking oil in. Don't use extra virgin olive oil because you want to have an oil that has a high smoking point, which is a cooking oil like this is perfect. Extra virgin olive oil has a very low smoking point, so it will burn very quickly and it'll be a waste. And when you feel that the pan is really hot, you can put the meat in. With pan roasting, you want to quickly sear it so that you seal everything in, but you don't overcook it for too much. Okay, I think the pan's just about hot enough. There's a bit of smoke coming off. So we're just going to pop the meat in quickly and sear it on all sides so that there's a nice crispy crust. So just a couple of minutes on each side. So as you can see, the meat is already a little bit cooked on the side. So there's this nice aroma coming and it's turning a little bit brown as you've got the bit of the crust going on. It's also very important when you're using a pan to pick a pan that's large enough so you've got real estate for your meat. You don't want a pan that's too small so that instead of being seared, it ends up being steamed, which is a big no-no. See how it's got that lovely brown crispy crust outside there? That's what you want to achieve by sealing it in. So we're going to finish it off on the bottom side and then we're going to pop it into the oven for say about 35 to 40 minutes, and that should give it a nice succulent roast that's ready to be enjoyed by the entire family. Okay, it looks like it's nicely seared on all sides. We're going to put it into the oven, which has been preheated at 180 degrees. So we're going to roast this. Obviously, if you're cooking it normally, you would put vegetables and a lot of other condiments in it, like garlic, rosemary, some salt and pepper seasoning, but we're not because we're just showing the pan roasting technique. So this is going to go in. Give it 35 minutes or so, and the meat should be beautifully cooked all the way through. Okay, let's test this. What you want to do is you want to remove the meat 5 degrees below its optimum doneness so that you have time to let it rest and cook up to its potential of what you want it to be. So for example, this is perfect. This is a medium rare, about 60 degrees. So what we're going to do is I'm going to wrap it up with foil. So we're just going to let it sit there and rest a little bit. If you're looking for a rare cut of meat, it'll be between, say, 55 to 60 plus degrees Celsius. If you want a medium rare, 60 to 65. A medium would be, say, about 65 to 70, and anything from 70 onwards is well done. So there you have it. Pan roasting meat, the easy way.